Writing essays can sometimes be a challenging task, but fear not. With the right strategies and a positive mindset, you can overcome the struggle and become more confident in your essay writing abilities. In this guide, we'll explore some helpful tips to make the essay writing process easier and more enjoyable. From understanding the assignment to seeking help when needed, these strategies will set you on the path to never struggling with writing essays again. With determination and persistence, you'll conquer any essay challenges ahead. Embrace your growing skills and remember, practice and positivity are key ingredients to writing success. Understand the assignment. Hey there! When you receive an essay assignment, take a moment to really grasp what it's asking for. Read the prompt carefully, noting the topic, requirements, and any specific instructions from your instructor. If something seems unclear, don't hesitate to reach out for clarification. The better you understand the assignment from the start, the easier it will be to tackle it. Stay consistent and motivated in your essay writing journey. As you refine your skills, you'll discover that writing becomes enjoyable and fulfilling. Plan your essay. Hey, friend! Before diving into writing, take a deep breath and plan out your essay. It might seem tedious, but trust me, it's worth it. Create an outline that outlines your main ideas, arguments, and supporting evidence. This will give you a clear roadmap to follow, making the writing process a whole lot smoother. Research effectively. Hello, researcher. If your essay requires research, make sure you gather information from reliable and credible sources. Look for books, academic journals, reputable websites, and other trustworthy resources. As you gather information, take good notes and organize them based on your outline. This will save you a lot of time when you start writing. Celebrate your progress. Kudos to you. As you improve your essay writing abilities, take time to acknowledge your growth and accomplishments. Embrace your newfound confidence and keep striving for excellence. Develop a strong thesis statement. Hey, wordsmith! Craft a killer thesis statement that succinctly captures the main point or argument of your essay. Make it clear, specific, and debatable. Think of it as the guiding star of your essay, keeping you focused and on track. Write in stages. Take it one step at a time, my friend. Instead of overwhelming yourself by trying to write the entire essay at once, break it down into smaller sections. Start with the introduction, then tackle each body paragraph separately, focusing on one idea or argument at a time. Finally, wrap it up with a solid conclusion. This way, you'll maintain a smooth and logical flow. Revise and edit. You're almost there. Once you've got a draft, take a breather and then come back to it with fresh eyes. During the revision phase, polish your essay for clarity, coherence, grammar, punctuation, and spelling errors. Make sure your ideas flow smoothly and are well supported. Give it a read aloud to catch any awkward phrasing. And hey, don't forget to seek feedback from others, it always helps. Use writing resources. You've got tools at your disposal, my friend. Online writing guides, grammar checkers, and citation generators can be real lifesavers. They'll assist you in improving your writing skills and ensuring your essay is accurate and well structured. But remember, they're just aids. Your unique writing voice is what matters most. Practice regularly. You've got this, champ. Practice makes perfect, so set aside time for regular writing exercises or prompts. Challenge yourself to tackle different types of essays, experiment with various writing styles, and express your ideas with confidence. The more you practice, the more comfortable and skilled you'll become. Seek help when needed. Hey, it's okay to ask for help. If you're struggling with any aspect of essay writing, don't hesitate to reach out. Your instructor, the writing center at your school, or online writing communities are there to support you. They can provide valuable guidance, offer feedback on your work, and boost your confidence. You're never alone in this journey. Writing essays doesn't have to be a daunting task. By understanding the assignment, planning your essay, conducting effective research, and developing a strong thesis statement, you'll have a solid foundation for your writing. Writing in stages, revising and editing your work, and utilizing writing resources will further enhance the quality of your essay. Regular practice and seeking help when needed will ultimately lead you to become a proficient essay writer. So, embrace the process, stay positive, and follow these tips to overcome any essay writing struggles that come your way.